Welcome to OneSearch. Here's tip number 6. Finding the full text available online when you're searching through the catalog. That can be really helpful when you don't have a lot of time and you can't go locate something. You can just print it up or email it to yourself, the full text. So let's say we're searching for something, cats bite dogs. As a random search, you go and you see what you get. Now when you pull up the results, you'll notice that below the initial information, this one says full text available. That means the full text of this article, it tells you it's an article, is available. But see, this one here says no full text available. You can't get it just like that. But there might be others, right? But we have altogether here 21,800 results. Maybe we want to limit our results, our records, just to the ones that have the full text available, so we don't have to go seek out the information or maybe borrow it from another library, which is probably possible but would take more time, and you maybe don't have that time. So we can go over here to the left column and we can see availability. Okay, so we can see availability at SJSU Library, full text online. So of these 21,800 results, we have this many. If we click on that, that will limit our results just to the ones that have the full text online. Now that can be pretty handy if you're short of time. So it's something to consider, and you might want to think about it. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.